Greetings and good day. This is Christopher Freese here with Freese Forge. Today we're going to be taking a look at this Zoom H1N recorder, handy recorder that I picked up. Hopefully I'll be able to improve the audio quality of my videos so all of you audiophiles out there may rejoice. No more of the, honestly, not very good audio. I hope. Now here we are. Let's open this up. Looks like we got some instructions here. The package contains the following items: the thing, some batteries, some literature. Here be the literature. I'll have to give this a read over. Oh, together this piece of hardware you are entitled to download a full version of WaveLab LE. I'm not sure what WaveLab LE is, but apparently I get that. So, happy me. All right. We got some batteries. Very few things come with batteries nowadays. There's the difference between the H1 and the H1N. There are a few different differences. Some aesthetics, things like that. Some more features, the different button layout. Here it is. It doesn't feel, you can tell it's plastic, but it doesn't feel flimsy. So that's good. The Zoom H1 comes with AA's, or uses a single AA as opposed to the two AAA's. I'm not sure why they switched from the double to the triple, but there we go. This little guy here is where the micro SD card goes. It records everything onto a micro SD. Okay, how do we turn it on? Power? Power. Ah, there we go. Had to hold it on for a second. Set the date and time. Done. Okay. That was easy. The audio that you're hearing right now is from Moano, I don't know who comes up with these names, Moano lavalier microphone. I've got it hooked directly into my camera, which is a Galaxy S7 smartphone. So let's take a look and see what the audio is like just with this thing standalone, and then we'll try it with that lavalier mic plugged in. Hopefully it'll be an improvement. We shall see. External mic is out. Okay, and there we go. So the levels definitely, you can see a huge difference in the levels between just having it here. Like I'll put it up to the same level that my microphone is at, and then we'll plug this back in. Well, there we go. I am now officially recording with the Mayono, quiet, lavalier microphone, the Zoom H1N handy recorder, and I hope that that is a welcome improvement from the Rode Video Mic ME that I was using that was attached to my camera. But now the microphone is on me, and I hope that this is a lot better. I really do. This was, I think, $150, and this was somewhere in the range of 25, 30, right around there. So not too bad, and I was able to purchase these things by the grace of my patrons. So if you are a patron, thank you very much. You have made these videos so much better, I hope. We're gonna find out together. If you would like to help with future videos, you may become a patron if you so choose. My videos will always be free. But if you are a patron, I do release my videos 2 days before anybody else gets to see them. My patrons get to see them first, along with a few other rewards that come with as a thank you for your patronage. I think that's the right word, patronage? Yeah, anyhow. Thank you all very much. Thank you very much to my patrons. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that this was somewhat informative for you, that you get to see just what we got going on here. Anyways, that's enough rambling from me today. Thank you very much for watching. May the Force serve you well. Well, you're still here. It's over. Go home. Well, I guess since you won't go away, I'll take this moment to thank my fantastic and wonderful patrons. You guys are amazing. Thank you very much. I love you long time. Over here you'll find a couple of videos I've done. This one is my most recent upload, and this one is one that YouTube has decided via its algorithms that you might enjoy. We all know how wonderful and fantastic and perfect YouTube's algorithms are, so I'm sure you have nothing to fear. Well, good luck.